Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with the personalization. Let's go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find Google. Tap on all services, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Then let's tap on ads. And as you can see here, we've got something called advertising ID. Removing it will not decrease the amount of the advertisements. However, they will not be personalized, so they will not show you the content which you potentially would like to buy. So first of all, tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID. And tap on Delete Advertising ID, and as you can see, it will be removed. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to try to check the notifications connected with the apps which are showing you the advertisements. So for example, let's pretend I've got problems with Play Store. I'll show you as an example what to do it. Tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Here we've got the option Manage Notifications, so let's tap on it. And under it, after scrolling, we've got different sections. So for example, payments, deals, and recommendations. Basically, try to find anything connected with the advertisements, because the names of this option might be different in different apps. So anything connected with the advertisements. And after finding, you can simply tap on it and just tap on the switcher to turn off the notifications. Another thing are the ad blocks, and obviously all you have to do is to go to the Play Store. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and secondly, that you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial. We've got a specific one of how to add or remove a Google account here. And basically all you have to do is to go to search and enter ad block or ad blocker or anything connected with that, and you will see that you can set the ad block, download the ad block for the Android overall, for the browser, for apps, for Samsung Internet. So just think what you really need and try to download it. Of course, try to download the apps which are for sure secured, which are highly rated. Moreover, if you're using the apps which are showing you the advertisement, so for example, if you're using the file manager which is showing you the advertisements, simply try to replace it with the app which won't show you that. So go here and let's pretend I'm trying to replace my file manager. All we have to do is to enter file manager, and here we've got plenty of apps which we can use to replace our current app, and basically it works with all other apps. I don't know, calendar, clock, whatever is showing you the apps. I'm sure that you will find another app which you can replace it. And as a last tip for that, I highly recommend to go to the settings again. Here we have to tap on connection and sharing, and here private DNS. Basically it is usually set on the automatic one, but I highly recommend to simply tap on specified DNS and enter something called dns.adguard.com and tap on save. Basically it should limit the notifications, the advertisements which you will see. So I highly recommend to simply enter it, and no worries, it's safe. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.